received a signal, I would not take the sell stop yet. Do not take the sell stop yet. You need to wait until it comes back around. If you're going to take it on the 1 hour. But please do not take any sell stop now at this point. Just hang in there for a minute. I'm going to go over everything with you. Even if it drops like a rock, I just would not take that trade. Let me mark out. Urgent message for those who just received. Good afternoon, everybody. Please don't take that signal. Today is, what's today? 21st to 21, 24. Wednesday. Oh my gosh, it's not happening. And then what time did that signal come out? At approximately 4:16 or 4:17, depending on your. Oh, that's not what I want. Okay. All right, everybody. So don't take the signal yet. I'm not saying not to take the signal. I'm saying to follow all the rules and wait for that half circle to form before you go back into the sell stop. That's what I'm telling you. I'll go over it exactly here in just a second. Just follow the rules and don't get suckered in on an up and down movement of a single movement. Boy, I had to send this out immediately because I saw what happened. Wow. Kind of already getting greedy. We already had 3 trades today. That should have gave, or this is the 3rd trade today. That should have gave you a heads up. But again, we haven't turned or tweaked the signals yet to not have certain ones go out. That'll be happening soon. This signal should have never went out, but it's all right. All right, let's see what we got going on. Oh, let's see. Wow, I got so many to-do things over here. I can't even see my keyboard. Yeah. All right. Great news on the gold and everything coming up, but not right now. All right, where is our... There. No. Hold on. I don't think I'm live yet. Okay, now I am. What's up, Azar? What's up, Wakanda? What's up, Frankie? Yawn? What is it, Donna asked. Okay. I don't know who you are, Donna, but glad you're here. Tank Dog, good afternoon. Good evening. Shash, God bless you. Bootlegger, what's up, Bootlegger? What's up, Glowinski? Mike Glowinski. What's up, Glow? Good afternoon, Kent. Andrew Fraha. Whoa. Hold on a second. A little phone went a fly. I had it too close to the edge, my bad. All right. On the treadmill, you have to get everything locked down. All right. So like I said, do not take the sell stop immediately. Let it form its proper way. Follow all the rules. Watching the movement was crazy. Isn't that fun? What's up, Keith Palmer? The mighty Keith Palmer, the magnificent Keith Palmer. Okay, that's a good one. What's up, J. Roz? Hello, George. Good afternoon, Shannon and Martin Griffiths. What's up, Martin and Tanny? What's up, Tanny? Shannon. Stevie Hayes, where you been, bro? What's up? Tracy Ann. Fly the Sky, Jan Flyowski. I am working very hard on the other stuff, actually. Waiting for Keith to give me a call, hopefully right after this. What's up, Kelly McMahon, Rinky, Estee? What is it? What kind? Wakanda, what's up? What's up, Azar? All right, let's get to this shit. I am not a financial advisor. First thing you need to be aware of. Never plan to be, never will be. Am not a financial advisor. So be very careful here. This is the US 30. This is NAS. Holy shit. And they pause trading on NAS, by the way, which is a scam. They'll say it's broker liquidity. It's actually fake, is what it is. Now look. These are all 4-hour buy stops. You're in the money on NAS. Take the money. SPX, you're in the money on. Let's see, US 30. US 30, you're in the money on. So the 4-hour buy stops were called out, well, actually for the last several days, but they were called out, nope, wrong thing, sorry. This morning. And then 15-minute sell stops, US 30 and SPX blue lines. I have no idea. They even hit that. 15-minute US 30. Oh, yeah, that was this morning. Yeah, they absolutely went past there. So the 1-minute buy stops paid off. The 15-minute sell stops, US 30. I'm assuming SPX hit. Yeah. Oh, yeah. 15-minute. Hold on. Were we thinking 30-minute? Let me see something. 15-minute US 30. Let me see something real quick. Oh, it did touch. US 30 touched. Hold on. I'm just trying to make sure that we're all on the same page with these. Yeah. SPX never touched, but it came super close. So now the first one came true. The second one came true. Now you're waiting for the 4-hour buy stops. But if you had your 4-hour buy stops in, absolutely you should have entered those. Absolutely you're in profit right here. Absolutely take profit, close one down, keep one open, close one down, let it run. NAS in profit off the here. Now, the only way I would go back into these sell stops right here, right now, just so we're clear, you can't do it when it's on one line like this, up and down. That is not the rules. Don't do that. Now, if this hooks around, comes around, go below on the 1 hour, let me be specific. It hooks, so another candle, kind of like it did here, where it hooked around. By all means, when this goes below the red, take it. But you got to wait for it to form just like it did here. Am I clear to everyone? Because so many of you get suckered into these bad trades. This is one of those times. Now, the signal was called. It has not been entered into if you followed the rules. But if it goes back around, and I don't care if this shit thing drops 3,000 pips right now, I don't care. What you should do is be playing those 4 hours like I just explained. You're in the money big time on NAS and SPX. Hopefully you entered off the 4-hour line, though, like you should according to the rules. And NAS. That's how I would be looking at these trades. I'm not saying that it's going to keep going up or down forever. I'm telling you to follow the rules. So unless you see this 15-minute, or better yet, preferably like I'm telling you, the 1 hour to hook and come back around, and I would enter off this red 1 hour line for NAS and for SPX and for US 30. So say it closed out in 8 minutes right here, and then the next one comes in and it dips below that red line, by all means, it did it right here. So what I'm telling you to do is take the trade, but do it wisely. Okay? You can take the trade on a sell, but you can't take it yet, if that makes sense. Don't get suckered into that single up and down thing. Just don't do it. Sevens, if I'm clear on that. I don't even know where that thing went. Hold on. Nines, if I'm not. I will explain this again. So we'll have to make this another color. So in other words, wait for at least 8 more minutes. I don't know how else to word this to you guys. Before you take trade, you can't take a sell stop on a single candle. Don't do it. I hope that is clear to everybody. Oh, that's right, Stevie. I forgot about that. God bless you for what you're doing. All right, so everyone got that? Because I sent out urgent email through the Signal service. I sent out an urgent email on the Discord service. And I sent out it. So anyone that got the sell stop now understands what to look for. It's just the way you already had. Look, this is why common sense still has to be built in to these signals. We'll get with the Holy Grail trade coming up. We'll have this one down pat for you. But right now, you had 2 signals today that made literally let's see. Literally on US 30 right here, you would have been up 250 pips. The second entry on US 30 would have been up 200 pips. You'd have made 400 pips, 450 pips just on US 30 today. You still shouldn't be trading. I guarantee you, I have some people out there still trading. Another 220 pips on NAS. Another 200 pips on NAS. That's 400. You would have made 1,000 pips on these 2 earlier calls, and yet you're still trying to trade this. I would be very leery. You're being greedy. 1,000 pips you would have made between NAS, SPX, and US 30. Please use common sense. I should put that in the rules. If you make over 200 pips in a day, don't take another trade. For the love of God. If you made over 1,000 pips in a day, don't take another trade for the love of God. Should I put that in the rules? Yes or no? Do I have to put that in the rules? We had 2 excellent signals today. Big dog mofo. You don't know what pip is. It's just points, percentages. Lowest percentage in profits that you could take. It's a small movement. All right. All right, let's ask a serious question. Should I put that in the rules? Do not take another trade if you make over 200 pips a day, or if you make over 500 pips a day, or if you make over 1,000 pips in a day. I might add that. I was halfway kidding around, but I don't know. Maybe some people get greedy and don't understand rules. You shouldn't have to put in that rule, you just might need to. It's all good, says Stevie. Yes. Barry says 1,000. What's up, YK? So Jan says, no, don't put it in there. I don't know, Jan. I was halfway kidding. I'm going to write that down. I'll think about that one. What's up, Keith? I don't know when. I think I'll be talking to Keith later today, hopefully very soon later today. Add, don't take 2 rules if made. That's funny. I have to be that specific with you guys. Anywho, I hope I was able enough. I don't think there was any risk of you guys entering into the trade yet. So a no trade is just fine as if it was, not even a signal. So if there's a signal and there's no trade to be made, I'm perfectly fine with it. I'm trying to explain to you guys how to handle it if there is. Some of us need protection from yourselves. That's true. If you do put 200 pips and people get 190, they'll keep trading. Keith, the people hit their daily profit, they should quit. I don't even know if people have a daily profit, Stevie. Some of these people are probably just trading. Well, I made, 950 pips today, and that's just not enough money. I want to make 2,000 pips in a day. Oh, boy. Let's hope not. you should put in if you need to trade after 100 pips. That's true, Jan. That is extremely true. What Jan is saying is we can use that as like a 50 pip rule, but definitely a 100 pip rule. 100 pips for US, US 30 and even NAS. SPX, I would say after 20 pips, you should change your lot size. Gee, that is a very good point, Jan. Very good point. There's always someone in the bunch. Is that what Jan said? Well, I just wanted to warn you all. You guys make me laugh. Okay, so everybody's heeding my warning. I'm usually good after 5. I like Rinky's thing. PLTR. Sure. Let me pull it up in. Hold on. Let me pull it up here in TradingView. I have never fucking heard of it. PLTR, is that who you want right here? Big dog? I've never heard of these people. You want me to use this one right here? It says NSY, the New York Stock Exchange. Oh, boy. I can't catch this every time. For you guys got to have some common sense. Yeah. Okay. Let me check this one for me. Oh shit. I think I might have grabbed the wrong one. There we go. Okay. Let's take a look for what's going on. All right. I don't even know how to say that name. PLTAR was a 1 minute buy stop. Should have got in back then, big dog. Was a 5 minute buy stop. Should have got in back then, big dog. 15, but I don't like this, like what we're dealing with. 1 hour. This is going to be a 4 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour buy. Watch. Yep. Here's your 4 hour buy. It is a 4 hour buy stop. Exactly like we're dealing with right now. It was a daily buy stop. I don't know what this thing is, but it has a nice little run going to it. Daily buy, daily buy. So 4 hour daily buy. Let me see that 1 minute again. Yeah, you're too late. You're gonna have to let this pull. I would play any 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop, but you got to let it come back down here. It has to hook back down to the yellow or green right in between. That's what I would do anyway. You play it any way you want. Planeter Technology. No target, trust me. I even list take profits in the rules, and I don't think they understand it. I like Jan's idea. Limit it to a certain number of pips, otherwise increase your lot size and play a smaller number of pips. Because if you guys really think that you're going to make 1,000 pips per signal call, that's insanity. The average professional trader makes 10. What's up, Just? ABT to 120. I will look at that for you. I hoped whoever that was asking about that. I guess you mean Abbott Technologies. 1 minute was a buy. Too late. 3 minute was a buy. 5 minute. It's recouping right now. 15 minutes, 30 minute. Hold on. 30 minute, 1 hour. It was a 1 hour, 4 hour buy. Too far away now. Daily. Yeah, it was a daily buy. There's just nothing you can do with this one. You're a day late and $1 short. But already you should have gotten in back here. I don't even know what this is at 112. Now you're at whatever the hell this is, 117, 118. I don't know. The best you can hope for is a pullback overnight, much like your other one that was just talking about that Palidar, whatever the hell that thing was, Plantar. I would wait for a turnaround on a 1 minute sell and look for both those ABT to 120. Or you're trying to scalp this is what you're trying to do. So you're looking for $3 more. 30-second buy already happened. 15-second buy already happened. It's a 1 minute sell right now. 15-second buy. 30-second buy. 1 minute buy. Looks like this is very, I don't know, this is small volume or something. But it's, again, even on the 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, you're just too late. It's already arched up. You got to play it when it forms this right here. Green, 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 red. This is the one. Green, 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 red with the cross right here, the pink and the blue down low. I wouldn't touch it. I'm not saying it won't go there. I'm telling you that I'm not looking for a buy when it's 300 million, whatever the hell your dollars are, from where it went up on the 1 hour. See your 1 hour here, you should have got in here. Correct answer would be here, back when it was down here at 116. I would not take a buy on that, but you do what you want. It may go up there. That's not how we trade. I trade in 100% or 99% certainty. So, big dog mofo, interesting. I got a learning system. Yeah. Well, rewatch some of the old videos. If you're up 72% on, let's go to PLTR again. I hate giving out specific PLTR. I mean, it can keep going up forever. Again, I trade a very specific rule-based system. This was a 4 hour buy. It can keep going. But see, the 4 hour buy, look, well, even the daily buy was here. Now it's coming back down, forming the daily buy stop again. So what am I looking for? The 4 hour buy. That's why you could be entered into the system. If I would do, what I teach everybody to do is I open up two contracts. It would be a 0.01 or a 0.01 or whatever size lot you're using. Close one down now, move the other one to break even and let it run. That's exactly what I would do with this. When I say 1 minute buy, you go to the 1 minute line and you can clearly see the same pattern that you saw in the 4 hour. Green, 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 red. This is a broken bot. Green, green, buy stop. That's what I mean. So it's too late. You should have took it when the pattern formed down here. Let me show you a specific one. See right here, 3 minute buy. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. You'd have entered in right here. That's what I mean. You're too late. I wouldn't take these trades for PLTR as wouldn't. The other one, I would sell half and keep half. That's what I would do. Now, if this comes back down below on US 30, feel free to take this trade. I'm not saying you couldn't do it on the first one, right? Let me go back to my other one here. Hold on. But you can't do it on the very first thing that happens. It's just an up and down movement. You can't do it. Now, if you'd have took the sell stop on US 30 on the red line, actually, you would have just made 34 pips and got out of the trade. You're supposed to take profit after 20. You made 34. So I would get out of the US 30 sell stop or do what I just told the other big dog fella, close one down and let one run. That's what I would do. Same for this. if you entered your SPX or NAS buy stop, and look, you're up 4 hour, and you're up 20 pips on SPX, I would absolutely close one down. Then I would move my break even or slightly above right here. Pop it right over the red line and wait. Same for NAS. If you took the NAS 4 hour buy stop right here, you'd be up about almost 100 pips. Jesus. Close it down, move your break even to here, slight profit, and let that motherfucker run. This thing could run for months if you timed it right. We'll see. US 30. If you entered it here on the buy, let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah, on the buy right there, you would have shit. Well, actually, they go up to here. All right, well, you had 150 pips, 140 pips profit. If you didn't close that down and you got greedy, you'd be right back to your break even again and probably made a little money, or you're done, either or. But this is that transition from 1 hour, 15-minute, 1 hour sells to 1 hour, 4 hour buys. If it is, you can run it for a long time. I hope that makes sense to y'all. All right. Now, somebody asked questions. Martar. Is Martar here? Very good point, Stevie and Jan. And Precious wanted me to look at somebody too. Hold on. Yes. Let's see. Gary. Give me just a second. All right, I'm glad I'm on with you guys so I can keep holding your hands through this trade. So if you did take the sell stop off this 1 hour, I'm trying to see when the fuck was this? Hold on, let me see when that candle was called. When that signal was called right here. So yes, okay, so you're fine. You could have taken this trade right on the 1 hour like I told you to. You had time and you would have gone down from here to here. You would have made your 30, 40 pips, get out of that trade, or at least move it to break even. Am I clear? You would have never entered into NAS or SPX. It's not even close. They're in a whole nother stratosphere right now. No, that's all right, big dog. That's fine. Keep asking questions. But I would do what Jan's telling you is go ahead and watch some of my, I have 400 videos. I actually have 1,200 videos now on YouTube. You only see 400 of them. I would absolutely watch some of those older videos. Okay. So we're all clear. The only entry you could have taken would have been US 30. And it's really not even a second candle over anyways. And you'd have made 30, 40 pips and got on the sell. You can re-enter US 30 later on if it hooks and comes back down again. Feel free to do it again. What you can't do right now, though, as the market's closed, right, is just willy-nilly throw out a sell stop if you don't follow the rules, okay? Oh, there's a whole bunch where I trade with you. All right. Does anybody on TikTok or YouTube have any questions on what I just went over for the current sell stop signal that went out? I just want to make sure no one got caught in it. Thank God I came on. I threw out that message within a minute or two of the alert going out. So I don't believe anybody at all would have gotten caught, made a wrong turn, did anything wrong. Let's pray to God. Okay. Couldn't have entered in off the 15 on SPX on the 1 hour or the 15. Couldn't have entered in off the 15 or the 1 hour on NAS or even the 5-minute on NAS. Matter of factly, I think one of those was a 5-minute buy. You could have entered in off the 1 hour sell like I mentioned to you to do, and you'd have made 30, 40 pips and hopefully gotten out. Buy stop 5-minute US 30. And that's it. Don't worry, if it's a true up, we'll call a signal for a buy later. And we are honing in the buy stops for the signals. I mean, they are going to be so spot on in the future. It's going to be scary how exact. Yeah, you shouldn't trade right before market close. That is true too, Jim. Jan's on fire. You've been calling out all this good shit. Okay. So if no one has any signals, I'm going to answer an email from one of our members about what we were seeing earlier on these cells. So let's go ahead and take a look. We're going to scoosh on over. Okay. This is your two cells earlier today. I'm going to show you. I don't know why he wasn't seeing what he was seeing. And I use members' names very infrequently. My apologies if someone gets offended, but we're allowed to use every email. It says in our email that we can use this for public, but he's just a little confused. So I think his answer will help a lot of you. Let's take a look right here. All right. So right here, earlier this morning, today, we had two sell stops perfectly called out. The combination of these two sell stops produced over 1,000 pips. Okay. So watch. This is a sell stop right here. Without the sniper, it's red, 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 green, red, sell stop. And it's going to the blue line. You can see the blue line here. You can see the sniper cross right here high. The most perfect trade you're ever going to get on a sell stop. This one that I called myself earlier, well, late last night, early this morning, was not clear. A little choppier, you can see, but still did it. And there it is. By the way, the same exact trade happened on US 30, happened on NAS, and happened on SPX. But why was US 30 the best? So this is our logo. Let's be clear here, because this is what Mark Tar said he couldn't see. Watch. Oh, hell, we're going to go back even further. Watch. Here we go. All right. This is our logo. This is what you got to look for. We have rules, everybody. Follow the rules. So the logo is this. Starts up high. Oopsie. Hold on. Let me get rid of that one. Price starts above. Price is told to come down. Hooks and comes up. First sell stop. Second sell stop. Third sell stop and down. This is our logo. Let me show you what it looks like live, because he said he couldn't see the logo. This right here is this right here. You can see the red logo on the back of our bull. We actually have 3 humps. But the red down one right here, there's a green up one too. All we're trading is this. So again, to look at it live, this is what he would have saw. Every time it pulls back, right? Every time it pulled back on the 1 hour, there's a 15-minute one, and that's what you just saw. So that's the 15. Let's go to the 1 hour and look and see what happened. Right here. Starts above, told to come down, hooks and come up, hooks and come up, hooks and come up, hooks and come up. Literally hooking now as you speak and coming up. We'll see if it breaks to come down later. Okay. These are the two hookups right here and here. Hookups, that's funny. So when you see the 1 hour's hookups, you go to the 15-minute charts to see the actual trade. There's only two steps. You go to the 1 hour and you go to the 15-minute. Take a look at this and laugh. It matches up perfectly. So let's go ahead and move this down to US 30, and I'm going to show you how it looks live on both. 1 hour chart down low. We'll shrink it so you can see it better. Ooh, maybe not that much. Let's keep it a little bit. All right. Let's take a look right here. It works the same on TradingView as it does Eagle FX. I'm just using Eagle FX at the moment. Price starts above, told to come down once, bap up, bap up, bap up. I should maybe zoom out, shouldn't I? Bap up, and then there's another one right there. Every time it retraces against the 1 hour, there'll be a corresponding sell stop over here. So you see that one right there? Oop. That corresponds to this pullback. Let me zoom in a little. I guess I zoomed in too. Zoom out a little. There. Okay, so right here, see this? Price started high, told to come down. 1 pull up, 2 pull up, 3 pull up. Watch. And actually, there's one here too. That'll be the earlier one. Yep. So there's one. Here's one. And that's all. So you're looking for the logo on the 1 hour, 15-minute. When you see the pullback and it forms our 15-minute sell, boom, you take the trade, and of course it went shootingly down. Let's go back to bigger again so you guys can see that trade. All right. Red light therapy is the only rule. You got a lot of learning to big dog. Go back and watch some of the videos where I show you the rules. Stop the videos, type them out. You can learn the rules yourself. No, he does not have the system. I guarantee you, Big Dog has not been through his training, or he wouldn't be asking questions like that. They're actually kind of worse questions than that's okay. He needs to take some time, learn some personal training responsibility, and watch some old videos. He'll learn the rules. I don't really feel like going over the rules at this moment in time, actually, not all of them. So anywho, Martar, that's how you spot the logos on the 1 hour and the 15-minute. Are there any times when taking trades on the 4th or 5th logos are good? No, Jackson, they're no good. What's up, Raider Trader? Yeah, we'll be stopping the signal calls on a cell that's in the same cell probably after 3. And then it'd be up to you guys to make your own, like the one today, to make your own decision if you're going to take that. That's all. Oh, yeah, Big Dog, no worries. What's up, Mike Snyder? You're welcome, Jackson. Yeah, you always check your 1 hour first, Barry, for the pullback, and then you look for the sell stop. And again, I'm not saying that it made an incorrect sell stop. I was trying to warn you guys to not get suckered into a single line up, single line down. It has to form our half circle. It has to. I mean, on these higher time frames, there's no way in fucking hell I would take a 1 hour buy off of a single little movement. Just wouldn't do it. Right, Big Dog. You'll learn. No worries. 5 minutes to 1 minute. Correct, Barry. You must not have the rules either, do you, Barry? You can do 3 minutes and 1 minute too. And you can do 30-second to 1 minute. And you can do 1 hour to 4 hour. Do you believe that we have the fast and furious time with you again? Oh, yeah, absolutely, Jan. I've just been creating these signals with Keith. All these different rooms were opening up by the end of the week. So, yeah, I'll definitely be trading with you guys again. Absolutely. Been busy with... Okay. All right. So, yeah, I'm good. Now pay attention to what happens at open. Again, if you see a quick little pull down for US 30, don't take it. If you see the next candle move down for US 30 sell, take it. Obviously, you could have just did that one off of a 5-minute entry right here on US 30, right? But it's just loading up for a 5-minute buy stop. So I'd be very, very, very leery right now. This is a transition. That's why you see NAS in its money on the 4 hour and so on. And SPX. If we're not transitioning to back to a buy, well, then you just made money on 4 hours on NAS, SPX, and US 30, and you can just get out of the trade. Move your other ones into break even. Barry, you do have the rules? Well, in the rules, it explicitly tells you how the times form and what time frame. It's kind of weird. All right. Oh, okay. I just wanted to make sure. I just came on here to warn the people got the signals not to get suckered in, to wait for the half moon before you re-enter on any sells, to go ahead and take the 4 hour buys if they engage, which they did on NAS and SPX and US 30. Okay. I wouldn't you can trade anywhere you want, brother, but that's not what we're talking about. You want to use like Tradeivite or whatever they call themselves, Thinkorswim. I mean, if you can get into MetaTrader 4, do that. MetaTrader 5 brokers, sure. Anything. There's 30 different brokers you could use. You can trade anywhere. The main thing you have to do is have it hooked up to TradingView into anyone you want, or use TradingView charts to go anywhere you want. This is where you get it. For $575, you get that upper part. If you want the 150, you get this pink thing down here. And another reason why you wouldn't take the sell, by the way, you can't take a sell until the pink line is all the way up. You can clearly see the pink line was climbing, by the way, on US 30. So don't take a trade, right? A sell stop when its pink line is low. You can't do it. And that's exactly how it was. Look, on NAS, and I saw somebody in the Discord talking about this. You can't do it. This is technically a 15-minute buy stop, right, on the sniper. That's why the sniper saves you from entering in bad trades. All right. So as long as no one entered in the bad trade. No one entered in the bad trade, correct? I don't see how you could have. It never went down on SPX to enter in. It never went down on US 30 to enter in. Never went down on NAS to enter in. But did anyone enter into a bad trade because of the signal? Yes or no? And if it's a yes, I want to know why. Damn, got warm. I think we're like 65 or 67 degrees. Fuck. Started sweating. Ask Shannon, no. Thank God, Shannon. All right. Rate of Trader, no. Thank God. Okay, I just want to make sure. And then I sent out the warning within a minute or two, and I know it didn't dip down before the minute or two. Just follow those rules. If it is, see this right here, when it occurred right here, let me zoom in a little bit. When it occurred right here, is a sell stop. Pink crossing the blue high, red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop. And of course, it went down. Rinky, you decided not to. Did you not see my follow-up email, Rinky? Perfect person. I want to talk to Rinky. Rinky, you're not in trouble. I just want to make, you did not get an email and you did not get a Discord message the same way you got the Discord alert warning you of the trade. I sent it out, within 2 or 3 minutes? I don't know if it posted right away. Oh, okay. You did get the warning. Oh, thank God. All right. Total difference. See, when this signal went out, the pink and blue line were down low. You can't enter the trade. It's against the rules. The pink and blue line were high when this signal went out. When this signal went out, they were high also. So when the signals go out and they're high, they're correct. You did get the move. Thank you, Rinky. So see the difference, Rinky? Okay, great job, Rinky. So you were thinking anyways. Shannon, do you see the difference between this sell stop and this sell stop? You couldn't have taken this trade, and in the future, our signal service won't be calling this trade. We've already corrected it. We just have to implement that code. But I just saw it. I was like, oh, hell fucking no. Don't anybody enter in the sell stop right now. No one enter into the sell stop. Good job, Rinky. That's great. So just make sure you guys see a difference between this sell stop that was announced and this sell stop that was announced. This is why we force you guys to have the sniper so you can see the difference. Whew, okay. I know I'm beating a dead horse in the ground, but I was just like panicked. I was like, oh, God, don't let anyone get into this trade. Please. Please, 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 please. And none of you can clearly see when it was called, right? Hold on. Oh, I don't know. Oh, fuck. I don't know what time that comes out to our time. I think here, though. Yeah, I think it was here. Literally the bottom. It won't call this trade in the future. It can't call the trade in the future. So you'll never have to worry about this trade. But don't take it. Now, if you're looking for a sell, that's different. If you're looking for a buy, the rules are different. But right now, it was calling out a sell, and it just was the incorrect time. You needed to have the pink line high. You needed to have the blue line high or thereabouts. Perfect examples right here. Sniper watching. Yes, it does, Joe. Joe Biga. Good afternoon, Joe. All right. So if everyone's clear, I'm going to go ahead and end this. This is an emergency call. I was like, I'm in the middle of testing the gold, which is working. Oh, my gosh. We're going to be doing activating oil. Holy shit. GJ on the 1 hour, 4 hours, going to be calling out the best signals for you ever seen in your life. Oh, my gosh. It's going to be fantastic. That was very close. You should have, Jan. I'm sure the SPX you said, let's take a look. I'm sure SPX 1 minute was a buy. Yeah, there she blows. It wasn't all the way down. I see your hesitation right here. It wasn't all the way down. Let me see if NAS looked any better. Nope, not any better, but it would have been a solid buy. And out of the three of them, SPX would have been your better choice. First time blue crosses up, pink comes down. First time's the best right here. Let's see, NAS is probably going to do this. Yep, NAS is the same time. And US 30 at the same time. So your entry would have been here. Now, the only way to catch this trade right here, let's mark it right here for us. Right there. Let's move this down to SPX. Well, we can do any of them. Let's just move it to here. Let's go down to the 30-second. This is where TradingView pays its dues. So let's go down. Watch this shit. Yes, the system works all the way down. There we go. To the 15-second. Oh, my gosh. You guys are going to go crazy. Yeah, it even works here. What the hell is he down in the Ant-Man level? Let's take a look. Where's my line? Here it comes. There you go. So this is actually a 1 second, 15-second, right here. Buy stop. It's also, that's crazy. If you wait for the first time here, you'll see a 30-second buy stop twice. If you go to the 1 minute where Jan was, you'll see your buy stop right here. So yeah, you could have confirmed that on all those time frames. Now, we're not going to be sending signals out for the 1 minute, 15 seconds and scalping shit. There ain't no fucking way. If I do, I couldn't sleep at night. 1 minute buy stop US 30. But yeah. No, we're not going to be trading 15-second candles. Does the system work down there? Absolutely. Do we have one member who does that? Absolutely, we do. Do I recommend it? Nope. But Jan, that is a very good analysis on your 1 minute. And it'll always be there too, by the way. That'll be your first movement, will be the 1 minute. I know I don't sleep already. That is true. Yes, demo on XPX. All right, anybody on TikTok? Oh, you only go down to 1 minute, Jan. Yeah, it's okay. But man, one of the better things about TradingView is you can go down to that 30 seconds to confirm your 1 minute. That is really nice. That is extremely nice when you can do that. The 30-second, 1 minute. And then technically the one I love is the 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minutes. So I would look for the 1 minute buy and then look to see if the 3 minutes arched up. Or in this case, is the 3 minute, flat line, and is the 30-second low. That's what I'd be looking for. See, so when this was right here, let's take a look. Was the 3 minute flat line up? Let's go forward and see. And it was. See, that's what I'm talking about. The 30-second candle right here, or even the 1 minute, watch. That 1 minute, see that? The 1 minute little dip was a 3 minute first time pink and blue. So if you go down to the 30-second level, you can clearly see that the blue line was far enough down for you to take the entry, Jan. The 1 minute didn't dip far enough down. You see right here? It was just too high. So you couldn't really verify the 1 minute trade with the 30-second, but it was there, but you just couldn't verify. Does that make sense, Jan? I hope that makes sense for you. All right, TikTokers, gonna go. Oh, I don't think I'll be on back tonight. We got to finish up a few other things. All right, talk to y'all later. God bless. All right, YouTubers, any question? Heading over to YouTube for those of you on TikTok. YouTubers, any questions? Concerns or comments? I have never sent out a warning like I did today. I was just like, no, we ain't doing that. We ain't doing that shit right there. Move a little taxi. I gotta get a little drink anyways. 5:30? Fuck, you don't drink this late. So it made sense. Good, Jan. All right, anybody on YouTube have any questions, please ask them now. All right. Can you have a short look over gold? Sure. And then I have to go. 1 minute. What is this? 1 minute. No, hold on. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. All right, let's see. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. I'd wait for it to come back to yellow and hook back up. Forming a 5 minute, 15-minute sell stop to the 30-minute blue line. Or you can just avoid all that and do a 1 hour, 4 hour? Yeah, 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop gold. That's how I'd look at it. All right. Thank you. Oh, you're welcome, Shannon. Thank God we prevented all of you from entering into a bad trade. The only one you could have possibly took was US 30, and you could have made, what was that, like 34 pips or something, but I wouldn't take that money. That's dirty money. I wouldn't touch it. All right. All right, gotta run, guys. Have a good rest of your afternoon. You have a good night. Thank you. You're welcome, Clayton. Dirty money. Well, it's the wrong money. You really shouldn't be taking a sell when it's like that. I know we called it. I know you could have did it, but nah, it ain't worth that. All right. God bless y'all. Talk to y'all later, probably in the morning, probably too early in the morning, like 4 or 5 in the morning. Talk to y'all later. God bless.